ʻzaɪ is the 14th letter of the Greek alphabet. It is pronounced ʻsaɪ in modern Greek, and generally or in English. In the system of Greek numerals, it has a value of 60. ʻzaɪ was derived from the Phoenician letter samekh. ʻzaɪ is not to be confused with the letter ch, which gave its form to the Latin letter x. Greek. Both in classical ancient Greek and in modern Greek, the letter I represents the sound ks. In some archaic local variants of the Greek alphabet, this letter was missing. Instead, especially in the dialects of most of the Greek mainland and Euboea, the sound ks was represented by I section. Because this variant of the Greek alphabet was used in Italy, the Latin alphabet borrowed I section rather than I as the Latin letter x, Cyrillic. While having no Latin derivative, the ʻzaɪ was adopted into the early Cyrillic alphabet, as the letter ksai. Mathematics and science, uppercase. The uppercase letter I is used as symbol for the cascade particles in particle physics, indicating no change of state in Z notation. The partition function under the grand canonical ensemble in statistical mechanics, Harish-Chandra's I function, the Riemann's I function, lowercase. The lowercase letter I3/4 is used as a symbol for random variables, dimensionless distance variable used in the linear Euro-Emden equation, extent of reaction, a concept in physical chemistry used most often in chemical engineering kinetics, eigenvectors, damping ratio CCCR, vibrational analysis, a parameter in a generalized Pareto distribution, the symmetric function equation of the Riemann zeta function in mathematics, also known as the Riemann's I function, a universal set in set theory, a number used in the remainder term of Taylor's theorem that falls between the limits a and b, a number used in error approximations for formulas that are applications of Taylor's theorem, such as Newton-Euro-Cotes formulas, one of the two different polypeptide chains of the human embryonic hemoglobin types Hb Portland and Hb Gowrie, the correlation function in astronomy, spatial frequency. Also sometimes temporal frequency. A small displacement in MHD plasma stability theory, a parameter denoted as warp time used to derive the equations for homogeneous azeotropic distillation, the x-coordinate of computational space is used in computational fluid dynamics, potential difference in physics, the radial integral in the spin-orbit matrix operator in atomic physics. The killing vector in general relativity. Average logarithmic energy decrement per collision, Pippard's cohesion length in superconductors, state price density in mathematical finance, the diameter of a crystal nucleus in nucleation theory, character encodings, Greek ʻzaɪ/Coptic ksai. Mathematical ʻzaɪ, these characters are used only as mathematical symbols. Stylized Greek text should be encoded using the normal Greek letters, with markup and formatting to indicate text style. References, ʻzaɪ. New Oxford American Dictionary, 2nd edition. SPIE Optopedia article, Spatial Frequency, Unicode Code Charts, Greek and Coptic.